Hey y'all, it's your girl CC. Welcome back to another video. This intro, y'all, I'm filming weeks after I did the installation of this Nadula unit. This unit, we done been through some things, y'all. We done been through some things, and it's still giving what it's supposed to give. I mean, it's still giving what it's supposed to give. This unit is and I'm looking at my notes. This is a Nadula unit that is 13 by 4 pre-everything wig, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, water wave, and the length on this unit is 22 inches long, and I'm 5'4", 5'5", and it comes all the way down to my waist for me. We done been to the Bahamas. We done been in some pools, jacuzzis, beaches, played in the sand, rolled in the sand. We done did all the things, ladies, okay? And we still come out looking like this, okay? So I wanted to give you a true review on their particular wig. And I think it's worth an investment because we done been through it, and here we are again. I done washed it multiple times too, ladies. I done washed it, and it still looks amazing. So if you're interested in this unit, I will have it linked down below. Without further ado, here's the video. Thank you for watching. Oh, and don't forget, press that subscribe button, y'all. If you're not here, subscribe. You missing out, ladies. Now, come on. Press that subscribe. Boom. All right, y'all. Thank you for clicking on the video, and here's a tutorial. On just to make it more. So what I'm doing is taking my little powder and placing it on the lace. And this is just to make it more blendable. And what I like about this unit as well is that it's really plucked. Like, they really went into the plucking, and it's already cut, so you don't have to worry about that. This is advertised as a throw on and go unit. So let's throw it on and go. Let's see what it's giving.
They not like us. They not like us.
It's very important that you figure out your placement. Now, those of you who watch me and watch me for a while know that I'm not a bust down middle girl, but girl, I don't think I'm too mad at this. I don't know if it's the glasses or what. I don't think I'm too mad at this. So that's the unit. Okay. I'm gonna take the glasses on. Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. Niggas would get a wedge and flip over your boxes or over your foe. The other fashionable option. Again, when you put this on, ladies, it can go nowhere. So you gotta make sure that it's exactly
action, no accident. I'm hands on. He fuck around, get polished. Fuck no Wayne Grower, he was in jail. That's conniving. Then get his face tatted like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad D-Rose came home, y'all didn't deserve him either. From Alondra down to Central, nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena. That predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered and placed on neighborhood watch. I lean on you niggas like another line of walk. Yeah, it's all eyes on me and I'ma send it up the pot. Ay, put the roll label on me, I'ma get them dropped. Ay, sweet chin music and I won't pass the ox. Ay, how many stocks do I really have in stock? Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Ay, devil is a lie, he a 69 God. Ay, freaky ass niggas need to stay their ass inside. Ay, roll their ass up like a fresh pack of Zod. Ay, city is back up, it's a must, we outside. Ay. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us.
Nadula.
They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us.
Make sure to get that ear, ladies. You don't want to put the.
I don't work for attention,
your ear.
but I'll get a reaction. Caught your eye, now you want some action. I'm a moving target, just to drive you crazy. Do I drive you crazy? And if you don't want it, then you can't have it. It's off the table, it's off the table. 'Cause I'm a diamond, my body's priceless. So if you want this, then I wanna be the object of your affection. Baby, make me your obsession. Then I wanna be the object of your affection. Baby, baby. Oh, yeah.
Now,
I don't work for attention, but
I can just leave it like this and go. Oh my God. Like, I can leave it like this and go. But I'm not I know I'm not a middle part girl, but I'm feeling it. I don't know what it is today that's giving me a different vibe, but I'm feeling it. So here's my ear. Okay. There's my ear. So it's down. It's down. The adhesives are there. So how could we style this unit? How many ways, right? So before I get started with that, what I'm gonna do is make it a little bit more blendable. And so I'm just gonna use a little fold hold just here on the top, just a little bit.
I wish I knew you wanted me. I wish I knew you wanted me. Ooh, what you do? Made a move, could've made a move. Never knew I'd be with you. It's too late to pursue. I bite my tongue, it's a bad habit. Kinda mad that I didn't take a stab at it. Thought you were too good for me, my dear. Never gave you time of day, my dear. It's okay, things happen for reasons that I think are sure. Yeah, I wish I knew. I wish I knew you wanted me. I wish I knew. I wish I knew you wanted me. I wish I knew. Yeah, I wish I knew you wanted me. I wish I knew. I wish I knew you wanted me. Can I bite your tongue like my bad habit? Would you mind if I tried to make a pass at it? Now you're not too good for me, my dear. Funny you come back to me, my dear. It's okay, things happen for reasons that I can't ignore, yeah. walk around, get tongue-tied. I turn it on, I make it rowdy, then carry on, but I'm not hiding. You grabbing me hard, cause you know what you found. It's biscuits, it's gravy, bag.
On the street of a house in which she stayed. And the diary's full of your name on every page. Cause I've read somewhere you fall in love with me. I'll try again the things to me. Your hands on my pillow so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you leaving roses on my feet. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Baby hairs down, and also to help kind of melt the lace into the skin. So now what I'm doing is this is a water wave unit. I'm going to brush it out. This one side so you can see the difference. Now this is one side, not brushed. So we can brush it out. And sometimes I like to turn the brush vertical to make sure that I don't miss any strands up here. There's the length. Okay. So the left side is the brush down side, and the right side is the wavy side. You can wear it either way. I'm gonna spray this side down. I spray on the inside and out, and I also get the tips. That's nice. Wow. And that's just with some curl activator. And you see it's like drawing up a little bit. That's what it's supposed to do. And this side. And then this is the side we didn't touch. I'm now gonna take my mousse. What is that? All right, so now we're gonna do this side. Now this side is beautiful. It comes beautiful just the way it is. But now we're going to match the left to the right. All right, y'all. So I let the hair dry. It's about 80% dry, and you can see the waves are a little bit more defined, and the curl pattern is a little bit more defined. It's more wavy. This is a wet and wavy, so that's what it's supposed to do. We're gonna let it do what it do. Okay, so
I can't believe I'm gonna wear it like a bust down middle for the first time. So when it comes to styling a unit such as this, you can, as you see, you can style it multiple ways, right? So they give you the bust down middle, but you can also, actually while I have it in the middle, take a clip and you can have half up, half down. Okay. Okay. You can take the half up, half down. Me and my side parts. Make your side part. Take this behind your ear. And it doesn't matter. This is the alternate side. She has given